Hey guys, it's me Marco, the American Lemko, and today we are in Ellenville. Let's check out the Lemko Vatra. Alright, so I see a Lemko tent. Let's go check it out. Hey, is it cool?
Yeah, go for it.
I do like the designs though, they're really cool.
Talk us up.
Bandurki, kompery, bulpa, parabola, kartofla, króli, krumpli, kartofli. Now it's time for some food. Something that is very popular to eat at this Vatra is the roasted pig.
Smacznego.
Dziękuję.
Ja jeszcze nie próbowałem, ale chyba dobre.
Dobry.
Bardzo dobre.
Dziękuję. Ej, nie mam. Tak, a nie dziękuję. A dobry den. Lemkus, nie. I chliboczku proszę. Tak, tak. Dziękuję. How you doing?
How are you?
Good, good. Thanks, sir.
Oh, sorry, man.
I'm sorry?
Sorry, I got it on your finger.
It's okay.
You got skin there if you want.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
Got skin there if you like.
Unfortunately, the rain started to come down, but as some people say, it's not a true Lemko Vatra if there isn't at least a little rain. Not far from where the concert is taking place is this chapel. This chapel was built in memory to the victims of Akcja Wisla, which of course impacted many Lemkos. Okay, because sometimes it rains here in the mountains, I never wear socks, only flip-flops. So that way, if it rains and my feet get wet, I mean, eventually the sun will come out and dry them. But if I had socks, they would stink. Pro tip.
Wow, I see myself.
Yes. Is there anything you want to say out to the viewers out there?
I'm grilling here. I'm hot. I've been here for 9 hours, plus yesterday. And I've been drinking since 8 o'clock in the morning.
Okay.
Do you have any questions for me?
How are you feeling? Or what do you need?
I need another beer. A little bit of function.
What we got here?
We got a cheeseburger growing. I'll put the cheese on later.
Okay. Oh, what about shashliks?
Would you like one?
How much are they?
Don't worry about it.
All right. Sure. When the sun goes down, the zabava starts. Today, the Lemko band Vorone from Poland are playing. Alright guys, so that's the end of this video. I'll see you all next time.